Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Igbo Cultures. I am Amarachi, the handler for the Wafro Media channel. 2 weeks ago, Gaaga released a video that really went off the charts in the Nigerian music industry, and basically it was just a beautiful video showcasing Igbo culture and traditions. Featured in this video were Teresa Honora, Flavor Nabania, and Pete Edoche. So today I am going to be reviewing the video. So let's watch together, let's review together, and I hope that this only sort of like promotes Igbo culture more to the world. Before we get into it, please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Please do that, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy content like this. So let's get into the video. One thing I will say is they really dressed Teresa Honora beautifully. Okay, so I think I forgot that Fino was actually part of the featured artists on this video. And please, did you peep the little advert about Life Beer? I think it belongs, Life Beer is owned by an Anambra indigene. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the video so far. It's beautiful, it's colorful, it's full of Igbo traditions. So sorry for cutting this video off, but at this point you'd notice the cultural trope, how Gaaga is dressed, how Teresa Honora is dressed, the display of, like I said, Life Beer. It's just a beautiful video showcasing Igbo culture.
From Monday to Sunday, I ain't leave the call bazaar. Spending money by the bar. It's you everyone on the bar. But you go boys in my, but you go come and look at that. You have to come in, you come back in. I'm not going to come in. I'm not going to come in. That's not going to want to me. I think you're the one for me. I'm going to put my money. I'm going to put my money.
Wow, did you guys see Chiweta Luago and the other Nollywood actor? They really brought a lot of heavyweights in this video.
Gaaga. There is one more around Egedege. Flavor na film. But I live on this in when you open an eye on your Galilean and making it only a kiddy to regular brosa. The Canadian.
Yes.
Abam Tiduchi and Abam Egedege.
Wow. Oh, BTS. Wow, this is lovely. This is actually lovely. I thoroughly enjoyed this video. The show of Igbo culture is beautiful. The heavyweights, Peter Doche, Fino, Flavor, Larry Gaaga himself, the cultural troupe, the cultural what they call it now, the masquerades. It just makes me feel like I can't wait for Christmas to go to the village and enjoy all this traditional and cultural heritage of the Igbo people. This video needs to win an award in the music award season in 2022. If it is in cinematography, the music itself, the music blew up. I think currently, let me just quickly check. I think it has over 2 million plus views already, and this was just 2 weeks ago. All the blogs carried this, like publicized this video. They put it on their blogs, and all I'll just say is I'm just proud to be Igbo. I love the Igbo culture so much. It is beautiful, it is vibrant, it is colorful, and if you're an Igbo person, I hope wherever you are in the world, be it in Europe, in America, in the Antarctica, because I know Igbo people can be found everywhere in the world. So I hope this video really makes you remember home. So yeah, this is where I'm going to stop in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me until I see you in my next one. Bye.